Do you have a complex life with a lot of moving parts? If so, I want to talk to you. Just got off the phone with a TikTok referral who has a lot of moving parts. It's a husband and wife with 4 children. They own 3 pieces of rental property, a fourplex and 2 individual homes that they have as rentals. The husband is a small business owner. The wife is also a small business owner. And they have 2 minor children of driving age that have one with a restricted license and one with their actual license. So they are concerned about general estate planning propositions like probate avoidance, disability and incapacity protection, pre-need guardian for the minor children, all those things that 99% of Americans should be thinking about. But on top of that, they have these 3 rental properties. They want to avoid probate on the rental properties at the time of their passing, but they also want a measure of asset protection, and they may want more than one layer of asset protection. They have a land trust for one of their properties, but the other 2 properties are in their individual names. So we talked about different strategies. We could do additional land trusts. The properties are paid off. We could go into a Florida LLC, or we could do the belt and suspenders approach and do a land trust into a Florida LLC wholly owned by a Wyoming anonymous holding company. That gives us 3 layers of asset protection. Always better than 1, but costs more to set up. So to each their own. Another thing that we were talking about is their businesses. The husband's business, if he were to pass away unexpectedly, how do we keep his business assets out of probate? How do we keep his business from being shut down for 6 to 12 months during the probate process? And the same goes for the wife's business. And how can we set things up pre-planning for the business exit succession transition plan? So if one day they just get old and decide they don't want to work anymore and they want to sell their business, how can we structure it to get the maximum amount of money when they sell it? What if they become disabled and they can't work in the business anymore? Do they have a key employee if they pass away that may want to buy the business? All of these types of things. And then we wrap all of that together. So we have entity creation for businesses. We have supporting existing businesses. We have creating a new estate plan. And then we have those 2 minors that are driving vehicles owned by mom and dad. That is a boatload of risk in case they get in an accident. Mom and dad are getting sued and could lose all of their personal assets and both of their businesses. So if you have a complex life and a complex series of facts that warrant an estate plan, give me a call. Be happy to talk to you about each and every one of those components. Have a great day.